Friend, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, Haryana, MP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view. So you can prepare it without wasting of time. Question is, what do you know about semester system? What are the advantage and disadvantage of semester system? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है कि आप सेमेस्टर सिस्टम से क्या जानते हैं, इसका क्या एडवांटेज है और क्या इसका डिसएडवांटेज है, इसके बारे में बताएं। सेमेस्टर सिस्टम, अ सेमेस्टर सिस्टम इज एन academic term. It is a division of an academic year, the time during which a college holds classes. It also might be applicable in the school and universities. Usually, a semester system divides the year in two parts or terms. Sometimes it might be trimester or quarter system. Trimester or quarter semester. Okay. Literally, semester means 6-month period. In India, this 6-month system is generally followed. In school, we find the year divided in between two, often three, major examination in and around the vacation. The central universities in India have been long following this from quite some time. The key facts of the new semester system are as follows. First, 2 semesters of 5 to 6 months in duration versus academic terms spread over 10 to 12 months. Second point, credit based on the workload of the learner with 1 credit point generally corresponding to 30 to 40 learning hours. Third point is comprehensive continuous assessment versus end of year examination. Okay. Next point is new assessment protocol based on grades rather than marks and the use of cumulative grade point scores to define overall achievement. Fifth point, curricular flexibility and increased options for student mobility. Sixth point, regular updates to curriculum. Okay. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ सेमेस्टर सिस्टम, क्या है ऑब्जेक्टिव्स सेमेस्टर सिस्टम के, इसके बारे में जानेंगे। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, टू ब्रॉडन द आउटलुक ऑफ द स्टूडेंट एंड इंस्टिल इन दैम अ सेंस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। सेकेंड पॉइंट, टू प्रोवाइड मोर चांसेस टू रिमेन वेल वर्स्ड। थर्ड पॉइंट, टू शो a detailed account of the student progress graph can be produced in semester system. Fourth point, to acquaint the student with different form, styles and thought in other part of the country and beyond. Fifth point, to allow greater interaction with teachers and the student will be more focused on preparing throughout the year. Now we will discuss about advantage of semester system in education. Okay. Now we will discuss about it. First point, in semester system student get a chance to study different objects. Second point is in semester system assignment are given to a student which help them to have knowledge other than the defined syllabus. Third point is a student have option to study some subject according to their choice. Okay. Fourth point is teacher and student interaction increases and teachers have more information about their student. Fifth point is a student get more vacation because they get a semester break after final exam of every semester. Sixth point is in semester system credit hours are defined and students have to study just according to the defined credit hours. Okay. Now we will discuss about disadvantage of semester system. Okay, in education. First point is student have to manage the syllabus in short time. Second point is sometimes teacher cannot convey the whole knowledge of the subject due to short time. Okay. Third point is student do not get time for extra study. As a result, they just have basic knowledge of the subject. Fourth point, in semester system, students do not get chance to re-evaluate their paper, so they have to manage and maintain their grades. Fifth point, there is less time for research. Students do not enough opportunity to research. Okay, so thank you friend. Hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.